Whew. So a lot of you have been asking what kind of supplements I take. By the way, look at my shirt. It's very festive, very shiny. Got it for like $5 at the thrift store. It's sick. It's like a crop top. Gonna show you a lot of supplements, and these are literally like, this is everything I take every day. I'm currently on a birth control that literally puts you at risk for osteoporosis if you do not take these every day. I take 2 of these, vitamin D's, and then I take 1 of these a day, calcium, magnesium, and zinc. It has 17 milligrams of zinc. By the way, I have my matcha. The most milligrams of zinc I would take a day would be no more than 40 or 50. I have took too much zinc before, and it does not feel good. I just had a headache pretty much. So make sure you always research the maximum requirements of doses. I have 2 vitamin D's. I would just take 1 a day, but I take 2 just in case. The maximum IUDs of vitamin D should be 4,000. I take 2,000 a day or just under 3,000. And also, if you don't get sun, like for example, it's very cloudy outside today, so I think everyone should be taking vitamin D just to maintain like proper function. I take these at the same time just because you need to consume vitamin D in order to absorb calcium. I just take that just because I'm on that birth control, but if I wasn't on the birth control, then I would just be taking 1 of these a day. I take 1 of these probably once every 2nd day or something. I won't be too strict with it, but I kind of have to be right now. Anyway, another supplement I take, this is just to maintain healthy hair, skin, and nails. It's BIOTIN, and I just take 1 a day, and this is 1,000 mcgs. I'll be taking this. Yeah, biotin is just a really good thing for energy metabolism, which is really good for metabolism and brittle nails, brittle hair, regulating your body and metabolism. Really good vitamin I take every single day. And this is a multivitamin I take also 1 a day. Basically, it has 300 mcgs of vitamin A, 180 mgs of vitamin C. Vitamin E is 18, has niacinamide, B6, B12, vitamin D, biotin as well, vitamin K1, folate, calcium, iodine, iron, magnesium, copper, manganese, chromium, selenium, and zinc. And if I take this, I'm still under my daily amount of zinc. This is totally fine to take again 1 a day because it doesn't give you too much of everything. It just kind of gives you a bit of everything just to kind of maintain. I take the men's one just because I compared it to the women's and they're pretty much the same. Like, it's just kind of a marketing thing in my opinion because the doses in this are not that much higher. Like, they're maybe a couple milligrams higher. It says 2 milligrams more of niacinamide, and that's really good for maintaining your complexion. And when you take these supplements, it's not even guaranteed that your body's gonna absorb 100% of them. That's why I chose the one with like the slightly higher dosage because again, like, your body's not going to absorb 100% of every single supplement you consume. And then one I think is crucial if you have acne, probiotics. This is just the 2 billion colony forming units. A lot of people suggest you should start at least 10 billion. This is quite lower. If you have pretty bad acne, then I would suggest starting with 10 billion. This one seemed to do fine. I just took 2 a day for the first like week. And then after, I just needed 1 a day. Because yeah, if you don't have a healthy gut and good bacteria in your stomach, then I guarantee you, you're gonna have acne. Because ever since I started taking a probiotic, it really changed the game for my skin. And then I take digestive enzymes just because it's not like a probiotic or anything, but it helps digestion. If you want healthy skin, then you do need a good digestive tract. And then these next supplements I'm gonna show you, I don't take every day. It's just kind of whenever I feel like being extra, then I will. For example, this is just 10 milligrams of zinc. I'm still under my daily amount of recommended zinc. If my skin still feels very inflamed or looks inflamed, then I'll just take 1 more of this. Garlic oil. The reason why I took this is because I thought it would help me if I'm sick, but really it just kind of kickstarts your metabolism and maintains your cardiovascular health. It just kind of keeps your engine going. And then again, to maintain your metabolism, I'm all about the good metabolism. This is occasional if I feel, you know, a little stuffed up, which it never happens because like the food I eat is very clean and full of fiber, but if it does happen to happen, then I have some fiber pills. The more fiber you have in your diet, the better your digestive system is going to be. Obviously your colon will be so much healthier and then it'll show on your skin. Yeah, I'm all about the healthy gut and the healthy metabolism. And then this is very extra. This is activated charcoal. This is just kind of like when you ate something bad or like you go drinking or something. Pro tip, if you consume like 4 or 5 of these capsules after like a night of drinking right before you go to bed, pop like 4 or 5 of these and I guarantee you, you will wake up with no hangover. Some people actually use activated charcoal to treat people with alcohol poisoning. Yeah, this is like a miracle worker. And also the days that you just eat a lot of junk food before you go to bed, pop some activated charcoal, and then in the morning on an empty stomach, have some activated charcoal. There's a powder form I have downstairs. Yeah, this is just what I have if I like slip up and don't eat healthy one day. Get me back on track. It works kind of like as a magnet. It just kind of like attracts the toxins in your body, so then when you go to the bathroom, yeah. Your body will be more cleansed. And also, best supplement too, green tea, matcha. I just suggest drinking this all the time. Like, this helps so much with my acne, so cheers to matcha. It helped me so much. But yeah, so a recap of all my supplements. These two, they just maintain healthy bones. If you take too much calcium and not enough vitamin D, then your body can leach calcium. That's why I don't recommend animal products or like dairy or anything, because more and more nowadays, people are actually going to the hospital and like getting rid of the leaching, like the excess calcium from their bones, and actually can treat your bones the opposite way of what you don't want. Does that make sense? And especially getting your calcium from a different species doesn't really know how to maintain that bone health from a human if you're getting it from the wrong species. So if you want the right kind of calcium, you know, eat dark leafy greens, spinach, broccoli, just any plant foods for the proper source of calcium, or just pop a pill. I just would not recommend dairy anyway for acne, just because it's a natural form occurring sugar. People say fruit is bad, but I mean dairy is pretty bad when it comes to sugar. Again, biotin, healthy skin, hair, and nails, just maintains your metabolism. Really good. I'm all about the metabolism and healthy gut. This, you could actually look up. There's so many vitamins and minerals in here, but this just all maintains healthy hair, skin, and nails, and bones. And honestly, if you just pop one of these a day and forget about the rest, I feel like your body would do really well with just even one of these a day and a probiotic a day. If you don't want to take all of my supplements that I'm showing you, then just these two, I feel like would be a perfect match for anyone who struggles with acne, on top with taking an extra zinc pill, because I don't think the zinc amount in here is enough. It's only 11 milligrams, and really you should be taking at least 40. Again, digestive enzymes for good digestion. This again for good metabolism and digestion. Yeah, anyway, I hope I was a bit of a help in trying to explain all of what I take. But yeah, you wanted to know, so I give you. I actually have a B12 supplement, but I don't take this just because I feel like I have enough already with my Centrum. And also, I drink fortified plant milks, and plant milk already has fortified vitamin D and B12, so I feel like no need to be taking an additional B12. Yeah, I'm loaded with the pill poppins. That is my video. Having a healthy gut is very important, and just because you consume any of these pills doesn't mean you're guaranteed to have your acne gone, because if you have a really bad diet, nothing additional can win over a bad diet. With that being said, I think I'm gonna be putting on more diet videos in the future. Snack ideas, breakfast ideas, healthy. What I've been eating worked for me very well. Everything put together was a dream and resulted in my clear skin. Happy gut cleansing, happy metabolism, healing. You could even try an enema. I won't get into that, but I'm just saying. Anyway, peace.